Hello friends, it is June now and we are back from Mummy Madness May, and it is still another month and we're still back here. We're at the beautiful Red Rock, Las Vegas, sunshine inside of our life, shining up our day. Let's have some fun on this machine now. $100 in. You saw him? First spin magic? Look at that major, that's a little bit scary, but we know what to do with it. He's up there? All right. Mr. Mummy. Okay, right away. Okay, trickery we see. This mummy can be a very tricky little bugger. Oh, 5 of a kind. That's nice. That was a speaking of sneaky, that was a sneaky 5 of a kind right there. Keep going, we like it. Where are you going, Mr. Mummy? Huh, where are you going? The beautiful Red Rock, look at the chandeliers, look at the mummy. Pretty filled up cash collect. We want to be cash collect pros right now. Oh, 4, okay. All right. It is a good sign when the line hits are kind of coming in. We know how crazy Mill Mummy can be. We're looking for a sign, Mr. Mummy. Is this the sign? Is this the sign? It's always like that when we're anticipating cash collect and we're like, it's like going through like the reels and then bam, you hit the green again. Of course it's here right now. Okay, yeah, where were you last time, buddy? Okay, oh, okay, here we go. Green. Green, we haven't got a rumble, wild? Okay. Oh yeah, green, please green. Oh, which one is it? Green. Oh, jackpot. It had a chance when it's like this. All right, we'll just collect our mini thoughtfully. Wifey said do it thoughtfully, okay. That's my first thought. My second thought, yes. That was not what I was thinking. Okay, that's more so what I was thinking, okay. Where, can I phone a friend over here on YouTube? Which one? Okay, yes, that's the one we want. I told you, we know what to do with that crazy number up there, okay? 6699. Oh, I just wanted to go boom, green. Okay, yes, sneaky one. No, we didn't want to see 2 of those.
Where would that be?
It was pretty. It wouldn't be it. Oh God, of course there it was. Yay! I mean, it's so fun to get a haywire when he was like runs across the screen, and then it was like, oh, it's gonna be a mini. But then it had a chance, and then cash collect is still pretty big, so we still have a chance for that. Let's go. That's just a little more ammo. Another haywire, please. Man, we were 1 away from the major. I hate how the mini always sneaks up. It's always like 2 for this, 2 for that, and then all of a sudden, just like mini. Like, why does it give you something to look forward to on the first 2? 2 maxi, $300 maxi, by the way. Oh, that's pretty good. $300 maxi, 600. Now we got past that number, people. We got past that scary number together, and now our friend is up here. Now we want that beautiful number. You know. This is the 3rd time. Bam. Free spins is so sad too. Look how beautiful it is, people. People are out there. The fountains are out there. We're here with you. It's June. Happy summer. Happy World Series of Poker time if you play poker. Oh yeah, please. That's a good one to pop on. That is a big one. Man, it was so exciting when the rumble came up. I'd almost rather have the jackpot than the free spins in some cases. Because like, at least you have a chance for the grand. And like free spins is always sadness. Oh, that one didn't get there. It didn't count, wow. Yeah. 4th time, 5th time, how many more? Damn, okay, finally. Let's see if we can get something good with these free games, people. We got that one, and now trigger the other one inside. Listen to him laugh at us. Wow, what is that? Come on, free spin, or, oh my God, come on, do it. Trigger. Oh, Mr. Mummy, come on. Mr. Mummy. Bam. That spun around so long. Oh, he was up there. Cash collect.
Is this the one that does?
Yeah, the free games is always this. We had $5. Yay. Okay, so we that music though. We deflated the other two. Look which one is left. That's the one we're hunting for. He's up there again. He's gonna show up, I feel it, right? I feel it. 2 bonuses. And what bonuses they were. This is Mo Mummy, people. Mo Mummy May Madness is behind us. Now, Mo Mummy June Joy. June Joy, let's go with that. Mo Mummy June Joy. For big hits, big wins, haywires. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where are you? Oh, is it the same number back to back? Mo Mummy June Joy. Let's go. It's the same 1125 3 times in a row. We got 3 times in a row, 1125. Man, that mini out of nowhere was so annoying. And then those free spins, 2x our bet. Okay. Let's see if we can do better this time. Pop it. Even though free spins is always sadness, we still want it to pop because there's still always a chance you can get a cash collect in it. We had one with like 4 or 5 cash collects in it, remember that? Come on, Haywire. Oh, he's up there again. No green fell though. Where are you coming? Where are you coming from, little buddy? Okay. Oh yeah, 1125. It wants to pop. It really wants to go, but it's a little bit. It needs a little push. It needs a little push from behind. Oh, Wifey said put in the lucky 15 cents into this machine. We will do that. You want to push one? Go for it. Push which bet you think is the best one. Yeah, go for it. Wifey thought that was the right button to push. It almost was because Mr. Mummy is right up there. And he was right up there again. Maybe this is...
One more.
No, don't go to 75 cents. We don't want 75 cents. I mean, maybe like... It's up there again 3 times.
That's how it gets.
Sure is how he gets us. 3 times. Oh my God, just do it now. Brrr. Oh, I want to hear it so bad. Do it now. Brrr. That was my haywire sound, by the way. Wah, wah. Free spins. We don't watch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. They can't get any bigger than that. I don't think it's full. Or no, maybe, I think you can get one more stage, but it's not like it matters anyway, right? Okay. Now let's do it. Like cash collect so bad. One that cash collects. And we got 2 bonuses already. And they were both $15 total. That's Mo Mummy. We want to get one of those like $600-700 bonuses like we had last, like those magical times. And he keeps peeking. What was that noise? That was a weird noise. Oh, we got triggered jackpot. It made such a weird noise, yeah. Okay. It can't be the mini again, can it?
The mini was before.
Okay, the mini was like here, yeah. Okay, and it was here. Yeah. Okay, so the mini is not there. Okay. Now. Okay, that's the one I want. Oh my goodness. Don't sneak up out of nowhere. Oh my God, don't do this. Don't do this to us. The major, that's the one we said we wanted from the beginning. Where's he looking? Mr. Mummy, where are you looking? Where do you think it isn't?
He's probably looking at me.
He's already looking at the mini. So you look at the mini, so look otherwhere. Why did you say it then? Wifey always says I was gonna say it, and then she doesn't ever say it. Cash collect now. Just a furious fast spin cash collect. Cash collect. I didn't point, you're right. I should have slapped the screen like I knew I should have. Okay, come on, please cash collect this time. It can't be free spins. Green, oh my God, no. Okay, free games, whatever. I don't want to whine about a bonus, but we want to see something better than $4, you know? Look how exciting it looks when they start spinning. But let's go. Okay, we'll take it. The re-triggers. What is this? It's just gonna be a fake re-trigger fest and then $4. Oh my God, he was up there. He's up there again. Oh, love it. Oh my goodness. Last spin, best spin. Last spin, best spin. Right here. Yes, last spin, best spin. Finally. Oh, my finger was, I was fat fingering it. It's okay. I was chonky fingering it. Okay, people, here we go. Can we make back all of our money? Okay, can we do this, Mr. Mummy? I think so. Let's go. There's like a fifth bonus, right? Let's get some big numbers. When it gives you a small number in the beginning, it usually gives you big numbers afterwards. So let's make that happen. Big numbers. Here we go. One more. Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought another one was coming in too, but. Okay, mine are $30. All right, we like that. It's a start, people. It is a good. Yeah, no, this was the last spin, so we're out of that bonus anyway. So that's why I said last spin, best spin. Let's see what happens, people. Come on, 2 on this spin. No, not necessarily. Oh my God, 2 on 1 spin, please. We need 2 on 1 spin. Or just a progressive. I saw a huge number in there, one more. Yes, 2 on 1 spin, baby, let's go. 3 spins. I don't even want a full screen. I just drop in the major ball. Just drop in that lovely major magic, please. Now. Something else. Okay, 2 and a little bit. Okay, that's good. Let's do the exact same thing. Let's do it the hard way, right? Let's go. Yes, one more. Oh, 15. 1. Yes. Yes, good job. And then 2 nice ones too. There's a $15 one fell in there too, right? Yeah. Okay, beautiful. 2 with our 1. Let's go, come on. Mr. Mummy, all we want is the grand. Grand, yeah. Why was like grand? Okay, we'll take the major. We'll start with the major. Okay. There's a chance. I mean, it's pretty hard to like. We just got 2 in the last spin to give us extra like $60, so we appreciate it. So let's go. Come on, people. Focus your energy, YouTube friends. Yes, 1. Oh, then that one was up there. That's some Mo Mummy trickery, but we gotta accept it. $110 or some kind of, yeah. Grand will have to wait. Slow clap, well deserved. Yep. 114 from there, and like $3 otherwise, whatever it was, which was really awesome. Okay, so, well, what's going on now? It's counting down the thing. Yeah, that was so weird. It was like delayed. It was technically still in the bonus, so it had to do its coin shower animation. I like when the free spins comes though, because it's all pink. It reminds me of like California, Hawaii sunset with that. Okay. All right, those free games weren't as bad. So we'll go to 130 or 10,000. So 130 or 10,000. Not giving it back. It's so hard to win. Oh, come on, yeah. Do it again. How crazy. This is Mo Mummy trickery at its finest. It's trying to trick us. Oh, he was up there again. 4 books. I'm a scholarly genius. Oh yeah. Oh, keep going. Oh, it's good. Oh. Is the machine hot, people? Is the machine hot? Do another. Oh, he was right up there. Oh, he was right up there. Do it again. Rumble. Rumpelstiltskin. Anything on top would be gravy right now. We feel good. We feel relieved. But it would be nice to get one more. Nah. Uh-huh. We're not giving any money back to you, Mr. Mummy. I know we're friends. We'd let you borrow money if you needed it, but you've taken so much money from us. Even getting $30 back from you right now feels great. Wifey and I'll go find, maybe get some ice cream or something and come back. Some more action. We've been on kind of a heater. We were playing machines that other people had just won on before, and we just kind of saw, we were walking by, it's not like we were standing there poaching the machine, but we saw someone win on it, and so I don't want to play on a machine that just won, or had someone pay out big. So let's just try it. That means it's on a pay cycle, right? I don't know. There's no science to that, no anything. It just kind of, the last 2 games, Railroad Riches and this one, kind of proved that, you know, it worked out. But we had a lot of fun. We hope you did too. Happy June. Time for June joy with Mo Mummy. No more May madness with Mo Mummy. We'll be back, people. Thanks again.